Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today I am going to do tom yum mixed with chicken and prawn. Let me show you how to do it. I have put in 1.5 liter of water. I am going to boil it now. I am adding in prawn head for the juices to release to the water, and followed by ginger, galangal, lemongrass, chili, coriander stem and lemon leaf, and adding in chili powder for color. I am adding here Kashmiri chili, it's not that spicy. Adding in some salt. I am adding here 4 teaspoons of tom yum paste. Putting in 1 cube of chicken stock is optional, you can always avoid this. Leave it to boil. This is a basic tom yum soup. In this soup, you can add in any kind of non-veg like crab, squid, chicken, anything you have in your kitchen. And same thing goes to the veg. Any veg you have in your kitchen, you can add in. Now the soup is ready, so I am removing prawns heads. Into the soup, I am adding in chicken cubes, tamarind water, stir them. I am adding in mushroom followed by carrot. Stir them well and leave the flame higher for that vegetable to cook 20%. Then followed by softer vegetables like corn, cauliflower. Then leave them for 3 minutes to 4 minutes. Now I am adding in the onions. At last I am adding in the prawns, because the prawns shouldn't cook very long. Tomato. See, it's a very nice tom yum soup. It's coming out. Add in pepper, and at last I am putting in some lime juice, little coriander. Now it's ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes, and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.